Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel in shorts.
Hi, hello friends. So, from today onwards, we are starting a new series and we are starting today with simplification. And here is the first question. The question mark plus 32 will give you 27 square minus 21 square. So, you have to simplify this question and you have to simplify with accuracy and with speed, right? So, what's the trick? In two ways, you can answer to this question. Number one, if you know the squares of 27 and 21, you can subtract these and it becomes 27 square, it is 729, and 21 square, it is 441. So you should subtract and it gives you 288. And here it is 32 positive, and when it comes to the other side it becomes negative, so you have to subtract 32 from 288 and you will get 256, right? If you don't know the squares of 27 and 21 also, you can simplify this question. How? Because here if you look out, you can see that it is in the form a square minus b square, and you know the formula for a square minus b square, it is a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b? Here a is 27 and b is 21, so a plus b will become 48. And what is a minus b? 27 minus 21, it is 6. So when you multiply these two, 6 into 8, 48, 4 remainder, 6 into 4, 24, remainder 4, and you get 28. And you have to subtract 32, you get the same answer, 256. So the option is option B, 256. To the next question. Question number 2. 3 by 4 whole cube into 2 by cube, 2 by 3 the whole raised to 4 divided by question mark will give you 1624. So 1 divided by 624. So how can you simplify this one? So here 3 cube, it can be written the LHS or left hand side, you can write 3 cube divided by 4 cube. For the 4 whole raised to 3, you can split in this 4 into 4 into 4. Then multiply by 2 raised to 4. You know the answer, right? 2 raised to 4, it's 16. Then divided by 3 raised to 4. And by the laws of exponents, it is known that 3 raised to 4 can be written in the form 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1. Why we have written this? Because we can cancel this 3 cube and 3 cube, and here also 16 can be cancelled by 4 into 4. And divided by x, which gives you 164. So here what is left over is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. This can be written as 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by 624. And here you can see 4 is in the denominator and 3 is also in the denominator. So first we can divide it by 4 and it gives you 1, 5 and 6. And when it divided by 3, you get 5 and 2. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 52. X will be 52. So your option will be option A, 52. The third question. 35% of 260 minus 24% of 35. So you have to get this answer, right? So for that, the trick is 35% of 260. So in here, you have to take the double of this number. So what is the double of 35? It's 70, right? So 70% of, when you're taking double here, you have to half this 260. And what is half of 260? It is 130 minus 24% of 35. Here you have to take the double of this side. Why? Because it is in 35 or in 5, which ends with 5. So it's best to take double here. So you have to half 24. So it becomes 12% of 70, right? What is 70% of 130? It's 70 into 130 divided by 100, right? Minus, what is 12% of 70? It's 12 into 70 divided by 100. So we can cancel here all the zeros and becomes 7 into 13, it's 91. Minus, here also you can cancel the zeros, and it becomes 12 into 7. If you know the multiple of 7 or 12th table, it is 84. So 84 divided by 10. So you know it becomes a decimal 8.4. So 91 minus 8.4 gives you, sorry, the question here was plus, not minus. So here also it becomes plus, plus and plus. So 91 plus 8.4 will give you 99.4. Right. So option here is option D, 99.4. So to the next question, fourth question, 48% of 125 plus question mark cube will give you 185. So what to do in this question, in these types of question? So 48%, so you can write 48 and the percent of 125, you know 125, what is 125 divided by 100? It's 5 by 4. So you can here write 5 divided by 4. Instead of 125%, you can write 5 by 4 plus x cube. Here the question mark, we can term it to be x cube, which is equal to 185. Now you can cancel 48 and 4, which will give you 12. So 12 into 5, 60, right? And 60, when it comes to the next to the right side, it becomes negative 60. So you have to subtract and you will get 125. And you can see it's the x cube is equal to 125. So you have to, for finding out x, you have to take the cube root. So cube root of 125 will fetch you 25. So your option, sorry, it's 5. So your option is C, 5. So the last question, 2000 divided by 50 into 3 plus 5 will give you x cube, or the unknown number cube. So what you have to do, it's 2000 divided by 50 into 3 plus 5, right? So you can cancel these zeros. Then 200 divided by 5 will give you 40. 40 into 3, it's 120. Then 120 plus 5, it's 125. So its x cube is 125. So x will be cube root of 125 as we did in the previous question. So the answer will be 5. So option will be B, 5. Thank you.